Hello, my dear children. Wishing you all a very pleasant morning. So, we begin with our 9th unit Mullah Nasruddin revision. Okay? So, starting with activity number 1. I am a 7-letter vegetable. My first 3 letters are a vehicle. First 3 letter means their first, suppose example, any 3 letters XYZ, it is of vehicle's name. The next 3 letters are a type of luggage. Luggage means when you are going outside, your bag is it like luggage. And my last 3 letters change every year, and last 3 letter is changing every year. So what should be the answer? So first, bring bottle guard. No, it is not bottle guard because first 3 letters are not of vehicle. Na? Bot it is there. Bottle guard. BOT bot. But then also it is not there. Right? Lady's finger. It will also not come. Brinjal. It is of 5 letters only. It will also not come. Carrot. Car. Yes. First 3 letters of vehicle. But next 3 letters of ROT. Road. It is not a type of luggage. So the answer will be cabbage. CAB cab. It is of vehicle. Bag. BAG bag. It is of luggage. And age means every year your age is changing. Now suppose you are 8. Then it will 9. If you are 9, then it will 10. So it is changing now. So the true answer is cabbage. Second, what 11-letter word does everyone pronounce incorrectly? Answer in the question. Which word is there that everyone when speak, they will speak incorrectly only? The word itself incorrectly. It is of 11 words. See, letters I, N, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it is of 11 letters. So the word is incorrectly. That only we speak now incorrectly. Pronounce same. Now, everyone has me, but nobody can lose me. I am with everyone, but no one can lose me means no one is there without me. It's always follow me in light, but disappear in darkness. When light is there, I am there. But when the darkness is there, I am not there. Who am I? Shadow. Shadow is there, na? You see in the photograph. When light, shadow comes with you. When you are in dark, it will not come. So the answer will be shadow. So, here cabbage first, then incorrectly only, then shadow. Okay, here is the shadow. Okay, now moving further. Now, what is there in activity number 2? That once Mullah Nasruddin was lying in the bed. I am just giving a summary of it, okay? Lying on the bed. Then his brother-in-law approached him. He was asking that, are you asleep? Then Mullah Nasruddin told. No. What? Replied. Why? What is it? What was that? Then he asked that he wanted a loan of 300 rupees. How much amount? 300 rupees. Then what? Mullah Nasruddin told that in that case, I am asleep. Oh, let us return to the first question. Are you asleep? And answer is yes, I am asleep. Because he don't want to give that 300 rupees. So he told, yes, I am asleep. Like that. So this is the activity 2. Just I am giving in short. Okay. Now, activity number 3. What happened in this story? One day Mullah Nasruddin was there talking to his neighbor. His neighbor was what? Very sad because he has not much more space to live. His small house is there and his wife, his 3 children and mother-in-law all have to live together. So what? The problem is of space, that in house, his small cottage is there. He does not get enough space to live. So he asked Mullah that please give me advice that what I will do. Then what Mullah told that first to keep chickens from yard to the home. Second, he told that bring the donkey and keep it at your home. Then the third, what it is? See, cram there. So what? 10 chickens he have to keep inside the house. Then next day, what? The neighbor got angry that how? 6 human is there, 10 chickens, donkey, and then also Mullah is telling that if you have got, keep it to at your place. Then he got very angry that how it is possible. Then also he trusted on mullah. Then he got into his house. Then what in a next day mullah told that keep all them outside your house. So like this he got space. He feel yes, now I am relaxed at all the chickens, donkey and got go outside. So there is much space to live. So like this way Mullah Nasruddin gave a very good moral to that neighbor that satisfaction is must. So this is the story. So now we'll discuss activity number 4. That 4 activity, before starting it, we'll discuss first activity number 5. So the chapter will be in flow. After that 5, we'll discuss activity number 4 in next lecture, means tomorrow, okay, on Saturday. So we'll complete all the revision by tomorrow. So activity number 5. What is that? It is the story of Akbar and Birbal. That one fine day Akbar lost his ring. He lost his ring. Then Birbal arrived at the court. Then Akbar told. Birbal asked, what happened? Akbar told that my ring was lost. My ring is lost. So, can you please help me to find it? Akbar is telling to Birbal, please help me. Then Birbal told, don't worry, your majesty, I will find your ring right now. That he told, don't worry, majesty, I will find your ring right now. Then what he think and what he implemented, that he told first that the ring is in court itself only. Then Akbar gets shocked. How it is possible that he know? How he know? Then Birbal also told that it is one of with courtier. So who has the straw in his bed as your ring? Those person who has beard has your ring. So Akbar gets surprised that how Birbal came to know all these things. Then this is a trick of Birbal, that if some person is there in the courtyard having his ring, he will move his hand like this. So by this Birbal came to know, yes, that the ring is with the courtyard only, and he found also by this method. Then what Akbar told that please search him. Then by this type Birbal found the ring and Akbar got his ring back. So and then what, that person who is having his ring, he felt guilty. So this is the activity number 5. Okay, we have discussed a summary only. Now all this activity will complete by tomorrow. Okay, thank you children.